Imagine waking up to headline about a new virus, HMPV, and watching the stock market react with fear and uncertainty. Are your investment at risk, or is this the moment to find hidden opportunities? In this video, we are not just talking about numbers. We are talking about your financial future. As the world faces another potential crisis, I am here to help you navigate the chaos and make informed investment decisions. Stay with me to uncover insight that could protect and grow your portfolio. So just I'm sharing, actually I have already said, yeah. So this is, at first I want to talk about introduction. What is HMPV? As we know, human metapneumovirus. This is an emerging virus that has started rising global health concerns. Why should investor pay attention? Actually, we have already seen COVID-19 crisis in 2020, 2019, 2020. That is why we should be cautious in this time. Example of past health crisis affecting markets. Just jumping to the TradingView website and just see Nifty 50. Okay, Nifty 50. It it had made high in September, and after September, we can see it is in downtrend. And as of now, from here, when you measure, it has fallen approximately 10 to 11%. Okay. But in October, it was not falling due to HMPV. Okay. And you can see there is some in November, you can see market started going uptrend. You can see there was some buying because wick is big. Just moving to daily chart. Yeah, this is the daily chart. Yeah, you can see here in November there is buying. Okay, and market has given 6%. Okay, uptrend profit. But then from November, from yeah, last week of December. Okay, from here you can see from 17 December, 16 December, it is falling. Okay, and from here to uh, yeah, it has fallen 5%. Just you can see in 2020, due to Corona, market was down approximately more than 30%. Yes. Now moving to next point. Second point is overview of HMPV. Nature of HMPV. HMPV primarily impact the respiratory system similar to RSV or influenza. Who it affects more? Children, children less than 7 years age, and elderly, whose immunity system is weak, and current global spread and concern. Third point, market trend during health crisis. As you have already seen that market trend in 2020 Corona COVID. Initial sell-off driven by panic, gradual recovery as market adapts, opportunities that arise in specific sector. In some sector, you see that there is some opportunity. Current market reaction to HMPV. Increased volatility. We can see that there are more volatility due to uncertainty. Rise in healthcare stock. Healthcare sectors and companies are growing. Decline in travel and tourism because we avoid going outside. So, travel and tourism related stocks is in decline. Sector likely to benefit healthcare and pharma sector, demand for vaccine and treatment, Max Healthcare and Fortis Healthcare. These are not my recommendation. I'm creating this video for education purpose only. I'm not savvy registered. Max Max Healthcare. Max Healthcare. Max Healthcare, you can see daily chart. Yesterday only it was down, but still it is okay. Only 5% down, not much. Fortis Healthcare, Fortis Healthcare, Fortis Healthcare is also only 6% down. Technology sector, Infosys, Infosys, Infosys Limited is moving upside. Okay, last candle you can see yesterday it, it is grown 2%. And HCL Technology, HCL Technology is also increasing share price. You can see here. Wipro, Wipro, Wipro share price is also increasing here. And e-commerce sector also. Sector likely to suffer, travel and tourism sector, oil and energy, and entertainment sector. What should investor do? What we should do? Stay updated, follow reliable news source, diversify, don't put all your investment in one sector, and focus on long term. Don't react emotionally to short term fluctuation. Yes. Conclusion. HMPV impact on the stock market is still evolving. Only 9 cases in India. So at present there is no any we should not do panic selling or exit from our portfolio. Be cautious, but also look for opportunities. Stay informed to make sound financial decision. Now it's time to call to action. Call to action. Now you know how HMPV could impact the stock market and the strategy you need to safeguard your investment. Remember, crises are as much about challenges as they are about opportunities. Stay calm, stay informed, and focus on the long term. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insight on the stock market and investment strategies. Let's navigate this uncertain time together. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.